Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial. Today I will show the example of how to rename file in NodeJS by using fs module. So fs module fs dot rename. This is the function of fs module. First parameter is the new file name. Suppose sample new dot text, and second parameter is old file name. Our file name is the sample.txt. Sample.txt. This is the new file name and this is the old file name. And third parameter is the callback function. If error, then throw the error. Throw error, else console.log file rename successfully. So now we can run our project. As showing throw error, throw error, and we can say it another way. Error ts error throw error else console.log file rename successfully. You can run again. Here the error is no such file or directory. Rename sample.txt to sample text. Sample.txt. Here we can this the first parameter is the old file name sample.txt, and second parameter is new file name. So our file rename successfully done. Here is the rename file name. It was file name is sample, and now new name is sample underscore new dot text. Sample underscore new dot txt file. So file system rename function have three parameter. One is first parameter is file name, old file name, and second parameter is the new file name, and third parameter is the callback function. Thank you.